inside the water, you have to wash yourself just to be respectful of the others, because you have to dip in the water with a clean body. You cannot dip in there with dirt all over you. And then after dipping inside the water and you're finished, they usually give this white towels. You use it either to scrub your back or to wipe yourself after taking a shower, because they're gonna be dripping with water. So before you go in the changing room, let's get thick with this side. Before you go back to the changing room, you have to wipe yourself a little bit. Just remove the excess water and then change. Yeah.
Small